Hello Zendone community, this is Proximo. I just wanted to create this quick video to kind of show the situation I'm having because some people don't understand what I'm saying. I will say up front that it's not a problem for everyone. Obviously it really depends on the size of your UI, and I want to thank people for clarifying that. I like running Zendone as a standalone application, which I created in Chrome browser. So I don't see a web browser. It just looks and operates just like a standard desktop app. Okay, but the screen size for my UI, when I click on preferences, as you see here, it just so happens that delete account lands right underneath my pointer. Now I don't double click, but I know some people double click everything, and I just found it interesting that if you were to accidentally double click or click again without moving your mouse, that's where delete account is. So I was joking when I said you should move premium under delete so that if they do that, they accidentally go premium. I'm kidding. Don't do that. But this is not always a problem for everyone, depending on how you scale it. But it wouldn't hurt probably to move it away from this area so that at any scale you'll never have the delete account show up underneath your pointer. Now, if you were to make this wider, okay, now, as people have pointed out, the delete account is off to the side, so it's not an issue. If you run it maximized, then I guess it's even less of an issue, which, again, some people like running maximized. I cannot stand running applications maximized. But, so here's what I did. How did I come up with that size? Okay, what I did is as you shrink this UI, you notice that everything moves. At some point, this white background, okay, does not get any smaller. You see right there? That's as small as it'll get. So what I did is I stretched that out so that I just right to where it starts to stretch, and I keep going so that I can see the words in my preference box. So I stretched my UI out to the point where I can see the options up there, and this is just starting to stretch. So that's about as small as I can get it and keep everything in the UI. And again, of course, when you do that, you run into this situation. Okay, so that's what I was trying to point out. As you can see, I don't have but one task to do. I got nothing here. It's because I'm a GTD master. I don't expect everybody to be at my level, but with a little bit of work, you can have nothing to do in your life. And of course, I'm kidding. I created an area called tutorial so that you guys will see how horrible I am at trying to get my GTD productivity to work. But anyway, so there you go. That's the deal. So if you make the UI just a specific size, which in my case I chose to make it as small as the UI allows before things start disappearing, the delete account is underneath there. So hope that makes sense. See ya.